Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these mint and rose gold floral nails. I've really been loving both of these polishes I use lately, so I kind of wanted to put them together, and this is what happened. So first I'm going to apply a base coat to all my nails. Then I'm painting my pinky and middle nails with Essie Mint Candy Apple. And my other nails I'm painting white. This is Sally Hansen White on Time from the Insta Dry line. And then around my white nails I'm going to be putting this Mess No More liquid latex because I'm going to be doing a gradient over it. So I'm taking a makeup sponge and painting a stripe of white and a stripe of mint candy apple. And then I'm just rolling the sponge onto my nail and dabbing up and down to blend the colors together. So just keep repeating this process until the colors have kind of built up and you're happy with how the gradient looks. So now that I'm done with my gradient, I'm taking a pair of tweezers and peeling off that liquid latex. And for any additional cleanup, I'm taking a small brush dipped in nail polish remover. So once the gradient nails are dry, I'm taking these single Chevron nail vinyls by Snail Vinyls and placing them onto my nail using tweezers. Definitely check out their website right now. They're doing a huge clear out sale as they close shop. And I'm just painting right over those nail vinyls with Cirque Colors Halcyon, which is this beautiful coppery rose gold shade. And before the polish is dry, I'm peeling off those vinyls using tweezers. I'm basically doing the same thing on my index nail, just a slightly different arrangement of the vinyls to kind of give a different look and change it up. Now on my middle nail, I'm going to be doing the floral pattern, so I'm taking a dotting tool and a white nail polish to create the shapes of the flowers. Basically, you just kind of want to make a messy blob. Now I'm going in with that rose gold polish and painting the leaves of the flowers. And now to give the flowers some detail, I'm going in with mint candy apple and creating some messy C shapes on top of those white blobs to kind of outline the petals of the flowers. This ended up turning out really much lighter than I had hoped, so it looks a lot better in person. It doesn't really show up on camera, but it's just kind of a really delicate floral design that I like to do because it blends in more with the base. Finally, I'm applying a top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it. If you want to see more pictures and information about this mani, then click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.